Shut up, bro. Alright. Let's see if I can rap. You never know, bro. Let's see if I can rap. Let's see what I can rap about. Show y'all, give me something I can rap about. Give me something I can rap about.
Turtles.
Alright. Let's see a word that rhymes with turtle.
Turtle word or word.
No. Come on.
You like Sonata.
I don't even know. Come on, be serious. Think of anything.
I'm gonna rap about these shoes because they talking. Every
All
time
right.
they do something, they want to do something when they walking.
Alright, I got something. I'm rapping, I'm clapping, I'm slapping. Got a snapback, don't talk that smack. In the back of my Cadillac. With them doggies in my bag. Alright.
You smell like fart with your guinea pig ass.
Bro, you smell like burnt chips. Like, stop talking, bro.
You look like a burnt chicken nugget.
Bro, you look like a burrito, bro. A Dorito. Get out of here.
Boy, you not. Yo, come on. What did I
I'm
say?
like recording you, stupid. I'm like, he got you. I'm on the run. 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 Shariel! Nah, he not catching me. He whack. He never gonna catch you like me or him. Oh yeah, follow him. His name is Camo Killer. Huh?
You still
You got Snapchat?
No.
I thought I was Snapchat.
No.
Oh yeah, just so you notice, my Snapchat is Top Boogie 1221.
Huh?
Yeah, my Snapchat is Top Boogie 1221. My Musically is Ty DJ 1221. So all my username and with 1221. Whew, it's hot out here. Yo, why you recording me? Why you recording me?
Look, it's a game. Look, it's a game.
That's not a game, stupid.
My God, it's a fake recording game.